Welcome to Energize and Revive Your Technology Professional Development with TechPoints. This is a poster session presented by the CPSB Technology Department. If you look at the map of the state of Louisiana, you will see that CPSB is located in Calcasieu Parish. Right now, we are known as the parish that has been impacted by 2 hurricanes. The purpose of this poster session is to explain a little bit about how our TechPoints program was implemented in Calcasieu Parish and the successes that it has brought to our professional development. First of all, what was the need behind starting TechPoints? Class attendance had been declining over the past several years. Teachers needed equipment, especially our new teachers. They needed new computers, new laptops, new devices for their students, and also devices in which they could integrate technology into their classroom. Along with the needing of the equipment, they needed the skills that were necessary to successfully implement this technology into their classroom. Finally, we began to see that teachers were moving more toward a hybrid learning community, and also we wanted to begin helping them network and learn from each other. Since 2015, TechPoints have been awarded to classroom teachers for technology staff development that takes place outside of school hours. And so this means classes that they attend in the evenings, sometimes on Saturdays or Sundays even, and also during the summer are eligible for TechPoints. Teachers receive 1 TechPoint for every completed hour and can spend the points in the TechPoint store at any time. Points can accumulate from year to year, so the more classes a teacher takes, the more TechPoints they earn. If you look at the slide right now, you'll notice that our TechPoint store has several items on it that can be purchased. You'll notice, for example, an Apple TV has a value of 15 points. So that would equate to 15 hours of professional development. You see at the opposite end, a Promethean board is 80 points or 80 hours of professional development. A couple of things that we want to point out to you is that there is a limited number of items that can be purchased. The reason is these were the items that at the time were deemed appropriate to helping students and teachers acquire technology to use. And also these were items that were felt to have the greatest impact on student achievement and in helping teachers move to that hybrid learning. So some program logistics. Our teachers register for classes through a database that's part of our district website, which currently is run by SchoolWires, and SchoolWires is a product of Blackboard. Once a class is held, the Technology Training Center trainers award participants who attend and actively participate their points. Participants can review their point balance on demand. Participants redeem points by submitting a request to our Footprints ticket system in which a workspace just for TechPoints has been made. The Technology Training Center coordinator, which is myself, fills the request and lets the participants know that the item's ready for pickup. Right here is a screenshot that shows how a teacher goes about registering for a class. They go to our tech classes and they click on the calendar and they'll see a color-coded list of offerings. Notice that some are online courses, some are face-to-face or webinars. When they click on that class, they will receive the information that's on the right. You'll notice it's a little more description about what to expect, tells how many seats are still remaining in that class, and the contact person if the teacher has any questions. Finally, they just simply click on the register button and they are registered for the class. Once a teacher begins to take classes, they will be able to look at their points in our database. And so what you see on this screen is an attendance summary where you see the classes that have been taken, the title of them, the tech points, and the date that they were taken. Notice there is also a column for CLUs. We do at times provide training that is within the regular instructional day. If that type of training is attended, only CLUs are awarded and no tech points would be given. So sometimes only a column for tech points or CLUs is needed. On the right, you'll see points displayed and equipment redeemed. So the individual that we have on display has earned 201 points since 2015, and she's redeemed 76 of those points she's redeemed 125 points for iPads, each iPad being 25 points per iPad, and she has 76 points remaining. Notice that we track in our database the serial number of the device and also our tag number for fixed assets. On this slide, you'll see our screenshots of our TechPoint request form. What we did is we already have a way that teachers reach out to us for help when they need help with their Promethean board if it's not working correctly or need a computer re-imaged, and that product that we use is our Footprints ticket system. And so what we did is, just expanding on that, we made a designated workspace where teachers would go in and ask to redeem their tech points for the devices that are available. And you see, once that ticket is submitted in the system, I am notified of it, and then I open it up and I verify that they have the points to redeem that item, and I complete the form and let them know that they may come and pick up their equipment. The types of classes that we offer for points include tech classes, which typically refer to those 1-hour classes that are offered virtually, which are most of ours right now, and we hope to get back to face-to-face. Some examples are digging deeper into discovery education or Flipgrid integration. The topics for the tech classes are the ones focus on technology tools that we want to see the teachers integrate into their classroom. Then we offer 2-week online courses that require about 2 hours of work each week, so these therefore are worth 4 points. This is for those teachers who want to go a little deeper than just 1 hour and really spend some time developing that learning network with other teachers and seeing, like, for example, one of the ones we're offering is hyperlinks, hyperdocs, and hypertask, how teachers can use those things, and they'll be able to work together on developing a product. Another one that we're offering this semester that we're excited about is a book study. So we're going to kick off the book study called the Distance Learning Playbook, and teachers are going to work through the book and read the book each week and annotate over it, and then we're going to meet together in a variety of formats to have a discussion about the book. In addition, our district has 66 schools and we have 7 technology trainers, and so each of us has about 8 to 11 schools that we help to meet the needs that they have with regards to PD. And so sometimes we will go to those schools and conduct after-school trainings based on the needs of that individual campus. Classes are designed to be active and provide for hands-on participation utilizing web tools such as Padlet or Mentimeter. An evaluation has to be completed by all participants, and the feedback that we gather in that evaluation focuses on the relevance of what was offered, the ease of implementation, what student impact did the teachers feel that will have, and finally, suggestions for future offerings. One other logistical thing about our Tech Point program is teachers can only earn Tech Points for a class one time. So if the Tech trainers repeat a class, that teacher is welcome to take it again for the knowledge and just to clarify anything, but will only be awarded Tech Points one time. Right here you'll see a sample tech class flyer where we send this out to all district teachers in an email to let them know what the upcoming classes are that we'll be offering. We try to offer a variety of formats, as we've mentioned several times in this session. Some of them are 1-hour webinars, some of them are online courses, and eventually we hope to get back to face-to-face classes. The mode or the delivery of the types of offerings helps meet the needs that our teachers have. Some key insights into our TechPoint program. Teacher attendance has increased exponentially since the implementation. You see within the first year, we almost quadrupled our participation, and you see the number of courses. It's challenged us to, as a tech training department, to be more creative and come up with more offerings for them. And then also, as you can see, over the 5-year implementation, we have awarded now 10,000 points for the past year. And you'll notice we attribute the increased growth for 2019 and 2020 to not only be the need for more technology in the classroom, but that was also in the middle of the pandemic, where we saw a huge rise in teachers not only needing tech points, but also needing the skills that came from those classes. Data has not been included in here because for the fall of 2020, 2021, again, we, as mentioned earlier, we were impacted by the hurricane, and so we are now back into full swing of offering everything. 889 TechPoint items have been awarded to teachers through the implementation of this program, and teachers are constantly asking when additional classes are going to be added, and they keep wanting to know what else is there that we can take. We want to thank you for listening to this video. If you have any questions, you please feel free to email us or stop by the chat and drop us a line or pose a question, and we will reach out to you. Our Calcasieu Parish website is listed on the screen. We welcome you to go and check out our website, and also to follow us on Twitter at CPSB_TTC. Thank you.